the NDC chairman and the team now Mokoye na dem ko huye no in fact yenya ya kan bidia ba chairman wa homa no so ye ne monko chairman good morning nyame antum chairman now so na ya baba maba so se motu sa na moyi na me be bisa se dia na trigger sa na muntu
I'm afraid no for African open so one adepa achieve.
Akuma 87.9 Kumasi.
The President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, only the first female Vice President, Her Excellency Professor Jimana Otukwajima, Mani Femi Gemu Chair the Korea in 2472 at the bill, but the Ministry it's and many chairs and to many chair a party and what I mean, and say, Nakuta Bill,
Akuma
Ghana Akaba and NDC say, young friend, and the dear man, so I sent to man, I tried to. Asugama Asantino, I will post no disability and Gamari. Now I share Asante episode. We put to Unipia, any idea, your share, Asante and Sa Aka, Media. We may say a two about a year. Now, I to say, we ministers need DCs or more about the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, now with the man, now you need to check. You do not original minister or Asante. You should not say it is so. When we are doing about the dear, or Malia Asunju, I Juma Asun Asante. Let's say your call out to your call to share and then the dear. You say a bank everybody, but that means so I imagine say a double a bank with them, not Duma a corner. Until you say your buffer is now committing.
Akuma FM.
That's not your Senator Hotel. Is that you see a domino, you want to know in the radio until you know everything say about coffee. Now that you are on the meaning of credit. Na our home, in accessing, so the dear Asantino Akumase, the dear Aban will be the Juma Efi, not the big one, Sebi, say, the cafe, or down Krana, in the a year, Bambula, not Minister, your show. Presidential villa na Excellency John Dramani Mahama Eba Asantia Odem who shot one Luzaka or Minister Silida Yodomo Okumu Namina Atete Apansa. You na the Macran, Macayen, and the Gogo, Nahokra, and yet Akumu. And you minister found you. I will come and know what Adoni. What Papa
Akuma FM 87.9
Kumasi. What about a king? Not what you want.
sir.
A guy who not what you want. What about a new fear and good I told that from your main family in TV. It is 8 years, ministers, and now. Ba we believe na echo ama moti yeli shi na onabo akon ana wo eyi ni na efiro na mo na don di bia state India community gaza India so di na yi na yi ka so di bia ediga ama kwen na do ko ni when people the best means to be no bia o ko to bia na MPP Faka Yanka, Oma Saba, Omo Ibia, Omani, Opikan. So you can come as until you say, Tibia, with a paddy, say because no even minister or coordinating director or your estate manager your government you see look at the that is only na the so aban which you are you because it is kind of like you try to the only playama asante the only playama yana emi nti doctor ni ko ya na list bi ana na ye ko ba no prefer asante no is the dia MC yana e
Jesus Christ
I could be
na chairman nti momo call in 2017 no handing over in a good state facilities ewa high presidential villa ne minister ne Bangalow say other facilities ewa no handing in good condition or in good state adema abaya abesi queen
also you not let's say it and this 8 years that we do are done for all the ministers that we know let me know residents ago. It's definitely John Dramani Mahama and me your papa attended to one after a presidential villa no for I'm a model or no SCA. Legacy if you really try me I couldn't even if you one Yehudi. Again, not at least a Pidiano. Even the TV between Korean idea, even that also if you are back the safe idea, I get and time to use air conditions. They use the name Korea even. Why do you do that? I'm not fighting India. The political coordinator. I know what facility no ever
these areas are areas where you are security zones and you can say access to the place. Isn't that security for now na boy emas and money because TV and never born air conditions are going now because no charge so nina the other security zone area is security zone. Come on.
If you as a party chairman, let's say as a big doctor, if you say you are a big room, such Kimina, a little bit of Yasam, you will be suffering a minister. I will be the only be. You did anything, Michael, no matter. When you are good, Jack, and then I but then you need to make a look for this other the share the little around the region, but I'm more able. That's a way of farmer. Mr. Mabondia or the Bano, the best fact Ghana is just a great serious because we do them now. After you could be
but Chairman, are you aware of handing over motor? Okay, right now the because coordinating directors na ewo man send there, but finding out if regional minister hand over any residents say hana metna state in India my hand over officially so the ba hana but because I'm sure saying na no ebe report nim we are whether say may your boy regional minister bidia ya chere da bi okwa kotena because na regional minister na o government facility mo the MTN away that area we are told say ho na no hye as in the idea why no official or they can't report who say the best regional minister can go there accommodation available bibia wo ho we are aware of that report ana
also because to be a media when the council fight for ability of the idea in center. What documents are coming? And what party no duty to say you call everything. Where as the party see a book, your bed, not until family to my first one. A bank, the ministers, and on the day. But you know, say the official residence of any regional minister, RCC. If you're going to know a believe so, you have your official residence. I don't know, you are a team, and also more actually regional. Or my, I say my wedding, maybe, sir. But I don't know, minister, or Obama, I don't know, a fancy or wedding, or if you need to you could be said, because I know that. I didn't know now, really, and I 7.9. But the younger the better, now buying actually economy, now something dear women, Saka. The better you the dear, not minister, but the official, what I know, the official residence, and not any regular minister, and your regular committee, because of what, no, thank you. I would be not minister. You're type. All regular ministers are no. You can call them. Them. Now we take your money from if you go.
Yeah, sad story by a didn't come off air, except that most of them person back us on radio, but they will tell you that the whole normal and a whole normal Mujumani idea. If you are then back to office, Intina and Shadanya Dibia. The moment on betting on better now. For that one, yes, you cross check it. But someone before say me jam work on. Two things. Can it be said the young we are as a over day more, you run sake day moon, could you see only at the TV air condition? A lot of us see a trouble here now. Air condition need the academy number to an it can't move per watch more who the bet mark and say the trouble here and the money will also. Mkofua be makoze sana.
You say can you know everything you do. You are not and so sure you two air condition and that. You are you two windows and now you are said you building up a tree now. But when you are there action. Young could be media men can yes, you need the state. You are buying the idea. So the minister is doing the whole sort. There's the president.
Ala ho said you can nti mo report akwana ama mo dey akonkran say dey makohuni and I'm more trying for the next minister to come.
But the other time
87.9 Kumasi.
All right. Mate, chairman dey da sepa mo pay. National production we didn't come on na production in come chairman Augustus Nana Akwesi Ashanti Regional Chairman for the NDC and ya na din come on pay no nti uma be sha wa ngasa wani ya ganichi enie bakani ya sa baba ti voice note about 0539199968 0539199968 over to the voice note and so aba no pay na yenya bre in fact very sad